Hey, hello, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to expand your vocabulary, increase your English, and speak like a native Englishman. So let's have a look at how negatives change in the reported speech. We often, more often than not actually, add not, depending on the sentence. Not, not. And it's used with the auxiliary verb, or simply with the verb if there is no auxiliary verb. Let's have a look at some examples. I didn't sleep well last night. He said he did not sleep well last night. Didn't, did not. Or he doesn't. He said he doesn't sleep well last night. Doesn't sleep well. Depending on the context and the tense. So, I don't teach on weekends. I don't teach on the weekends. Present simple. He said that he didn't teach on the weekend. The weekend just gone. He didn't teach on that weekend. So that's the past simple negative. He didn't teach on that weekend, and probably he won't teach on the next weekend either. I don't teach on the weekends. I will not teach this weekend. He said that he didn't teach on the weekend. He said that he won't teach this weekend. They haven't arrived on time. They haven't arrived on time. Where are they? We don't know. Jessica said they hadn't arrived on time. They haven't arrived on time. Present simple. What's happening? Where are they? 10 minutes late, 20, 30 minutes late. Jessica said they hadn't. In the end, they hadn't arrived on time. In the end, a week ago now, they hadn't arrived on time. They didn't arrive when they're supposed to arrive. They didn't. They hadn't arrived. The bus isn't working. Working being the verb. They told them that the bus wasn't working. The bus isn't working. The pen isn't working. Oh, it's not working. And then a week later, they told them that the pen or the bus wasn't working. It wasn't working. The past continuous. It wasn't working. Didn't happen. Simple as that. So it adds not, more often than not, depending on the sentence. Yeah, pretty cool. If there's an auxiliary verb, or if there isn't, we with the verb. Haven't, hadn't, won't, will, hadn't, and then isn't working, it wasn't working. Cool. Let's keep going. There's always more. Okay, so let's have a look then. What if the verb has an object and infinitive after it? Then we simply add not. Not. You should not sign the deal. You should not sign that deal. I was advised, verb, not to sign the deal. Verb, infinitive, to sign, full infinitive, to sign the deal. I was advised not to sign. She was advised not to sign the deal. I advised her not to sign the deal. Her not to sign the deal. You might lose your mind. Woo! You might lose your mind. My wife reminded me, there's the verb, me, object, reminded me not to lose, infinitive, my mind. Lose my mind. Boom. Very interesting. Don't go in the forest. Don't go in the forest. Don't you go in the forest. The guard warned being the verb, warned, no, me, object, infinitive, or we've got not and the infinitive, to go. Infinitive being verb plus do, plus to go, to play, to jump, to lose, to sign, to climb, to moan, to groan, to write, to yawn. So interesting. The verb, when it has an object infinitive, we add not to do something. Don't. I was advised not to sign the deal. Don't sign the deal. Don't do that thing. Let's think. Don't go in the forest. Don't go in the shop. I told you I told you not to go in the forest. I told you. I warned you. My wife warned me not to go crazy. To go crazy, but it happened regardless. We went loco, mucho loco. Yeah. I was advised not to sign the deal. I was advised not to record the video, but I did it anyway, because I'm a mucho loco man. How cool is that? I'm crazy, I'm just crazy. Okay, cool. But we're so crazy that if you want to keep learning English, expand your vocabulary, and if you're crazy enough to want to speak like a native Englishman, then hit the bell notification and hit the subscribe button next to it to see more and to catch the latest videos. Subscribe. Until then, bye for now.